Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly locate your TikTok QR code so you can easily share your profile with others. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. To get started, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into your account. Head to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. In the top right corner, you'll see a menu with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled My QR Code. Once you select it, your personal TikTok QR code will appear on the screen. From here, you can share it directly or save it for future use. And that's it. Now you have easy access to your TikTok QR code for quick sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on using your favorite apps.